Right, I've done what I can with my water cooler at the moment. I'll move this over a bit so you can see. Right, I've taken out the CPU. That's in. I've got a drain port in, cooler master. No, sorry. Yep, coolant, sorry. I have cleaned them off. Yeah, that's it for the moment. Now I'm going on to one of my GTX 260s. This is going to be fun because I've done this before. Can only go by what we're going now, and I've had a little look on the internet. But first of all, I'm taking this bracket off and putting a single bracket on. So I'm going to get on with that, and I'll give you a little update once I've done it.